Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, in today's video, is going to be our Sponsons project. Sponsons project. What do I mean by that? If you've seen another video of mine where I had helped my friend PJ install his RIVA Sponsons on his 2022 GTX-230, he's got them on there, and I have a 2023 GTX-230. Just in case you're new to the channel, I still have the stock Sponsons. So today, we're getting their drone up. We're getting their drone up to give an actual comparison on how the Sponsons compare, move in the water, how well the RIVA Sponsons cut and turn and hold that nice tight turn, and then we'll compare it to the Sea-Doos stock. So with the drone high up in the air, anywhere from 50 to 100 feet, that's how high we're gonna put it. You guys are gonna have an awesome look down at how this is gonna work. And I do believe, I think, that this is the first time this has ever been filmed, to my knowledge. I could be wrong, but I think this is the first time this has ever been filmed. And so that's what we're gonna do for you today, guys. So if you're wondering what RIVA Sponsons can do for your ski, how they work, all that stuff, and how they compare, that's what we're doing today. We did another video where we just went around some buoys. We did some buoy training. So check out that video. I'll put that link up here, and so you can have that, and you can look at that video as well too. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring PJ in here in just a second, and he's gonna kind of give us a 411 on how these Sponsons are gonna work. See you in a second. All right, guys, so right over here at the skis here, and we've got PJ today. What up, PJ?
Hey, good morning.
All right, guys, so PJ's gonna give you a quick overview of the RIVA Sponsons and why we're doing what we're doing.
Since we're gonna be bringing them out in the water to be given this kind of first comparison side by side between two skis, the exact same skis, with one being the stock Sponson and with the RIVA Pro Sponsons, what we're gonna be basically testing out is cornering, doing actual full, you know, turns, circular turns around the buoys, and really giving you guys an idea from a top-down view, a bird's eye view, on what it really looks like and comparing the two together. Right now we have it on its center setting right now. So it doesn't matter if you're on a Sea-Doos, Yamaha, or Kawasaki. RIVA has, you know, their different Sponsons for them, but, you know, of course we prefer Sea-Doos. But if you can see from the angle inside of here, we'll do a quick comparison on them again. So this is going to be a flat blade that comes across. That's going to catch the water and pull on it. So when this thing goes to turn, it's going to kind of act as a fin. And what RIVA's done is they actually created a step system in here. And this gives kind of a breakaway. So what happens is it doesn't give any drag on it. So the thickest part is going to be where your intake grate is. This is the pivot point of the ski, so that's why they actually allowed the thickest part, or they designed it that way, so the thickest part is right here. And so compared to the stock, as you can see, that it actually is kind of like a wave. The whole idea behind this is to give the ski a lot of play, whereas the RIVA Pro, it's going to lock you into the water. And so, you know, when you're going and playing around on any just ski, this is gonna wash out the back end, and it's fun. It is a lot of fun. You know, we just are doing this stuff to give you guys the information, the education, to make sure that, you know, you guys don't make any mistakes in the beginning, like we make all the mistakes for you. So hopefully this is gonna help you guys out.
All right, guys, did you catch all that? Were you taking notes? All right, guys, so this is our Sponsons project, and as mentioned before, I've got some links in the description. You've probably seen some links coming up here at the top as well too. You can check out on the install on the RIVA Sponsons on PJ ski, and also some of the comparisons we did out here in Oceanside in the harbor, just zooming around using the GoPro. But today is drone day. Without further ado, are we ready?
We're ready.
We're ready to get on the water.
Yeah.
We'll see you out there. Okay, guys, so we are out here in the harbor. We're gonna get set We're gonna get positioned, ready to go. We are at low tide today, so there's a small little beach right over there. So that's where we're gonna go to kind of get things set up, positioned, ready to go. Before we do that, take a look at Oceanside Harbor. Okay, so we are here where we want to get set up for the first run. And we're going to do the first run with my ski with the Sea-Doos stock sponsons. So here's where PJ is going to launch the drone from. It's 63 degrees today and it is warm in Oceanside. All right guys, so we're going to get set up and we'll be right back. Okay. The drone is up. We're just getting final positions on the drone, and I'm gonna make my way around this green buoy down over here. And I'll just wait for the final thumbs up, and it will be clear for takeoff. All right, guys, put your seats in the full upright and lock position. And your tray tables, if you got them, put them up and lock them shut. Here we go. Here's some quick aerial footage for you. Here is our quick left-hand turn. And in this next clip, we'll get a full screenshot for you. Left-hand turn with the Sea-Doos stock sponsons. And here's a right-hand turn. And in the next clip, we'll do a full screenshot for you as well. And in this one here coming up is our full 360 circles around the buoy. And just take note for these Sea-Doos stock sponsons, take a look at the tail of the ski, and shortly here we'll show you side-by-side slow motion as well too. And coming up right here is the full screenshot of the 360 degree. And again, take note of the tail, how it's moving through the water. And once again, we'll show you these two side by side coming up soon with the RIVA and the Sea-Doos sponsons. So let's see if we got what we got so we can get what we can get. Let's go see what footage we got. Then we're gonna have to switch Sea-Doos. I am on PJ's ski, same exact ski, except he has the RIVA sponsons on. So when I whip around these corners today, we're gonna feel a difference, that is for sure. There's mine right over there. PJ's getting the drone set, ready to go for round two. Round two on PJ's ski with the RIVA sponsons and RIVA intake rig. Here we go. All right, here we are with the RIVA Racing sponsons. Here we go into that left-hand turn. And in this video shot right here, you'll see full screen. And in this next one, we're going through the right-hand turn. And the next clip, you'll see full screenshot. And coming up right here, once again, is the full 360 all the way around the buoy, just a couple of times. And again, RIVA Racing sponsons, check out the tail. Look at the nice streamline. And here's a full shot for you guys here in this clip right here. Full 360, check it out. And coming up right after this clip, we are going to do some slow motion clips for you guys so you get a better look at it. Here we go. Check it out, guys. Going into those turns, left-hand turns. There we go, coming up into the right-hand turns. And now we're moving into my favorite part, the side-by-side RIVA Racing and Sea-Doos stock sponsons. 360 degrees around the buoy, just a few times, so check it out. Look at the nose of each ski. Look how the nose is leading. Look at the tail, and just watch them round that buoy. And remember, the RIVA Racing is only in the middle setting versus the Sea-Doos stock sponsons. All right, final turn there for the Riva racing side and Sea-Doos stock side. Here we go, final turn on its way out. That was cool. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. That was fun. Let's see if we can get these two champion machines side by side, shall we? All right guys, so there you go. Two of the same exact skis. Looks like our Sponsons test is done and complete. Check it out. 2022 Sea-Doos GTX-230, 2023 Sea-Doos GTX-230. Now that our Sponsons project is about finished, I think I can put the Sponsons on my ski now. RIVA Sponsons on my ski. PJ, can I put the RIVA Sponsons on my ski now? I think we did good today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up on that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys as well. I am gonna sign off today here in beautiful, sunny, Southern California. Don't forget, guys, make today your absolute best day because tomorrow just isn't promised. Next time, I'll see you guys on the water. So here's PJ set up. I'm gonna sit in it. Great. All right, so this is where PJ was sitting, right here operating the drone. Wow. I feel like I'm on a club island or something. Check it out. We'll have to call this Club Sea-Doo, I think. Yeah, that'd be great. What a day. What a day in Oceanside.